again, this is a fast track. You want to start a business, go out and license IP from university. Not only can you acquire the IP, they will give you human resources in the form of graduate students or undergraduate students. In some cases, you can actually get excess space that the university has. They'll give you introductions into the venture capital community as well as the local community. And you say, why would they do all this? Because it benefits the university. The university is not interested in the money per se. What they look for is the recognition and prestige that comes from a commercialized property. Many people don't realize there's a lot of technologies, Google, Netscape, Lycos, a number of these big, what are now known as big, large corporations, they all evolved out of university technology.
And that's bragging rights for universities, and then people know about that, and it brings more students, right?
Absolutely it does. That's why they have it. But they have so much of this IP available and so few businesses understand. And it's all geared toward the small to mid-size companies, especially startups. There's a tremendous amount out there, so obviously you have to do your homework, but it's not a difficult process to acquire.